Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and if you're looking behind me, that is the sweet little print-in-place car that I made and uploaded to Thingiverse and shared with you guys on Tinkercad. Friends, Thingiverse has got an issue with picture sizes, and I've got a solution, so let's get cracking. Alright, so real quickly, this is Thingiverse, and I am editing my thing. I want to add a picture to it, so under my camera uploads, this is my new picture. If I double-click it, it says file needs to be less than 500 kilobytes. Mine was at least a megabyte, so I have to tell it okay and I can't use it. The fix is simple. I'll have a link in the description, but all I am doing is going to pixlr-x. When I hit open image, I'm on the same camera uploads. This is the image it couldn't handle. I'm going to bring it in at web size, 1280 by 720, and hit apply. As soon as the picture's in, I could crop it, and I will just because it makes it look a little nicer. I could also add text. You can cancel out of the little ads. I'm doing that so that it stays free because free is my favorite word. When I'm done, I hit save. I'm going to stay as a JPEG because I found out if I go to PNG, then they don't fit anymore. But as a JPEG high quality, it's only going to be 114K, and now I can download it. I'm going to put it in a different folder, so I'm just going to put it in my screenshots, but I'm going to keep the name, and I'm going to hit save. When the ad is done, you can simply hit close. I'm going to go back to the thing. I'm going to browse my computer, but remember I put it in screenshots, and I'm going to use my date modified filter. There is my picture, and pop. It let me add it. Simple as that. Easy peasy. It is an extra step and it's a little bit of a hassle, but it does work. I'm going to go back and hit close. I'm going to hit open image again. This time, I'm going to grab that second image I wanted, still do the web, hit apply. This one, I'm not going to adjust the size. I'm going to just hit save. And let's peek. If we go PNG, see how it still says 1.1 megabyte? I'm going to back up to the JPG. I've still got the high quality. And bam, I've got my second picture. Put it in my screenshots folder, and I'm golden. Now I can add that second picture to my thing, and then when we hit save in view, the Thingiverse thing has all the different pictures I've given, including where I scale it down to 85%, and I also gave the parts so if you had a two-color printer, you could print the wheels a different color than the body. Lastly, friends, if you scroll to the bottom, this is the Tinkercad link, and this is pretty sweet because you can actually tinker the real file and adjust it to make it even more cool than the one that I created. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.